In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC application error 0xc00005 step by step using simple and safe methods that work in 2026. This error can be really frustrating because it usually prevents VLC from opening or causes it to crash unexpectedly when playing media. The good news is that in most cases, this issue is caused by system file corruption, outdated VLC components, or conflicts with other applications, and all of these can be fixed without any advanced technical knowledge. I'll walk you through everything you need to do, step by step, so make sure to watch until the end. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is run an SFC scan to repair any corrupted system files on your computer. This is one of the most common causes of the 0xc00005 application error, not just for VLC, but for many Windows programs. To do this, click on the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Once the Command Prompt window opens, type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Windows will now scan your system for corrupted or missing files and automatically attempt to repair them. This process can take several minutes, so be patient and let it complete fully. Once the scan is finished, restart your computer. After the restart, try opening VLC again and see if the error is resolved. If the error still appears, don't worry, we'll move on to the next step. The second step is to update VLC to the latest version. Older versions of VLC can sometimes cause application errors because of outdated codecs or compatibility issues with newer Windows updates. Open VLC Media Player, click on Help in the top menu, and then select Check for Updates. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Once the update is complete, close VLC completely and reopen it. Many users find that simply updating VLC fixes the 0xc00005 error instantly. If you're still having problems, let's try resetting VLC preferences. This is our third step, and it's very effective if the error is caused by corrupted settings or misconfigured options inside VLC. Open VLC, click on Tools, then go to Preferences. At the bottom of the Preferences window, you'll see a button that says Reset Preferences. Click on it, confirm the reset, and then close VLC. Reopen VLC after resetting the preferences and test it again. This will restore VLC to its default configuration without affecting your media files. Now let's move on to the fourth step, which is closing other applications to reduce conflicts and free up system resources. Sometimes the 0xc00005 error occurs because VLC is competing with other programs for memory or system access. Before opening VLC, close any unnecessary applications running in the background, especially heavy programs like browsers, video editors, or gaming software. You can also open Task Manager and end tasks that are using a lot of RAM. Once your system has more free resources, launch VLC again and check if it runs without errors. At this point, most users will have the issue completely resolved. To quickly recap, we ran an SFC scan to fix system files, updated VLC to the latest version, reset VLC preferences, and closed other apps to avoid conflicts. These steps cover the most common causes of the VLC application error 0xc00005 and should get VLC working smoothly again. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more troubleshooting guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.